Welcome back to Third Shift Crafts. Today we're making Griddle Greek chicken bowls, packed with flavor and freshness. First up, we're making a homemade tzatziki sauce. I'm only making enough for this meal, so I'm using half a cucumber. I grate the cucumber over a strainer, then use paper towels to press out the excess water. Once that's done, it goes into a bowl with about a cup of Greek yogurt. Next, I grate in 3 cloves of garlic, add a pinch of salt, a few cracks of black pepper, about a tablespoon of olive oil, and a splash of lemon juice. Stir it all together, then pop it in the fridge until we're ready to use it. Next up, the vegetables. I'm chopping a red onion, the other half of the cucumber, some grape tomatoes, and a couple of bell peppers. I'll set those aside on a plate for later. I did have an avocado out, but it wasn't quite ripe yet, so we'll save that for next time. Now for the potatoes. I'm using yellow or gold potatoes, cutting them into small pieces and putting them in a steamer tray. I'm going to microwave them for about 6 to 7 minutes just to get them partly cooked before we finish them on the griddle. While the potatoes are in the microwave, I'll get the chicken ready. I'm using chicken tenders here, so there's not that much prep needed. They'll go into a gallon Ziploc size bag with salt, pepper, garlic powder, oregano, lemon peel, and about 3/4 of a cup of Greek yogurt and 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'll seal the bag and let the chicken marinate for about 30 minutes. Once the potatoes are done, I transfer them to a bowl, toss them with olive oil, a little lemon juice, some Greek Freak seasoning, and some more lemon peel. Then it's time to head outside. I get the griddle cleaned, oiled, and ready to go. Then I lay down the chicken tenders on one side and the potatoes on the other. From here, it's just about cooking everything until it's done. We're looking for an internal temp of around 160 to 165 on the chicken. The potatoes are already soft, so we're just frying them up until they're golden and crispy. Once everything's cooked, I bring it all inside and it's time to assemble the bowls. You can build yours however you like. I totally forgot I had Greek olives, pepperoncinis, and feta cheese, so I guess that just means I'll have to make this one again another day. Thanks for watching Third Shift Crafts, crafted by hand, rooted in home.